Clutter in the kitchen particularly makes me feel overwhelmed, and so I wanted to use these simple tools to add maximum shelving all the way inside my pantry door so I could take advantage of every available inch. When we moved into this house, the previous owner had used these two-tier ClosetMaid shelving systems to do the top of the doors but not the bottom, so I wanted to purchase a couple more so that I could take my storage all the way to the floor. They're basically two levels, epoxy-coated, like a rubberized coating on the steel. They come with these hangers that you simply screw into your surface and then kind of click the wire onto it. And they come with a short screw, a long screw, and then even sheetrock supports if you wanted to put them directly into the wall. They are very solid. They're smooth to the touch though. So the ones that we've had have lasted for us for 13 years, 5 inches deep, about 12 inches wide, been really flexible for us. And I love that I can use like large size Costco size container, and they fit nicely in the door, don't take up any space, have stayed really attached well, and love them so much. We're adding 2 more. You can see I put medicines, teas, vitamins, and could really just use this bottom space to maximize a lot more storage. And I particularly like that when you close the door, that it doesn't really go into the pantry at all. This depth is basically the depth of the jamb of the door, so it's not taking up any room that would otherwise be used for anything else, but it's really maximizing the space, and it's so easy to get to. When I simply open the pantry doors, they are quick grab and go. Solid see-through, the light comes through so it doesn't feel dark at all, but they do feel sturdy for me. Installation for me was under 5 minutes. I simply leveled them, screwed in these hangers, and then clicked the devices right in place. And with high use in the kitchen, I was wondering how they've held up. They've held up great. They've been rust resistant. The coating hasn't come off at all. And I love that they're just so easy to install. So basically, I'm just trying to organize smarter, not harder, to not let clutter overwhelm me. And these ClosetMaid wall racks have been simple, stylish, and incredibly effective in our house. Hope that helps.